Hello everyone and welcome to Science Lab. Today we're going to perform a classic experiment that demonstrates a fundamental principle of chemistry. Oil and water don't mix. All you need for this experiment are a beaker, food coloring, some cooking oil, a test tube rack, and a dropper. Here's how to carry out the experiment. First, use the dropper to drop some clean water and then carefully add it to the test tube. Now add a few drops of food coloring to the water in the test tube and give it a swirl to make sure the color dissolves completely. Next, drop about 3 milliliters of cooking oil with the dropper and gently let it drop into the test tube. Place a test tube stopper on the tube, shake it well to mix the contents, and then set the test tube on the rack to let it sit for a moment. Watch as the oil and water begin to separate and form distinct layers. Now, let's uncover the scientific principle behind this separation. Under normal conditions, oil and water don't mix because they have different molecular structures, densities, and viscosity. Water is denser than oil, which is why the oil floats on top of the water. No matter how much you shake the mixture, these two substances will always separate once they're allowed to settle. And there you have it. The oil and water separation experiment not only shows us a basic principle of chemistry, but also highlights the importance of understanding the properties of substances. So the next time you're mixing ingredients in the kitchen, remember that not all liquids play well together, but also highlights the importance of understanding the properties of substances. So the next time you're mixing ingredients in the kitchen, remember that not all liquids play well together,